Welcome to Anything and Everything, foamie camper build. Standing around is what took up most of my time. I wasn't able to video the laying of the vinyl flooring and the underflooring, but I started out thinking I was going to use the vinyl flooring I'd gotten. Turned out it was way too heavy, and I ended up having to pull everything off and put a subfloor over the top of that frame right there. This is before I had to take it all back off again. This is after I had just laid the flooring. I had to take it all off, and I had to put plywood before I put the flooring on, just to have extra shear strength to support the weight of the bed and other things that would be on the corners that overhung the frame. This was my first attempt at the bed frame, which this had to be taken completely off again as well. Because this was before I took off the flooring and put on more plywood. Yeah, it got really nasty. The wind and rain blew and flooded the whole entire area. This is the lowest spot on the property, so it was in the lake. This actually shows now that I had to take off the flooring and the under part of the flooring, the foam pad they put underneath that. And I ended up having to take off all that framework as well. This is the new plywood subfloor underneath, and I painted it with the Titebond too. And then put back the bed frame. And kind of redid it a little bit better for more stability, and changed up the sizes on some of the things. I put the foam pad down on the plywood to protect the plywood, and I was still going to use the vinyl flooring at this point. I was trying to lay it down again, but I realized the weight of it was so much I probably would be better off with a lightweight trailer just to use linoleum. Here's some of the boxes that are going to go under the bed. It's still a mess because of the rain and wind, and working out there in 32-degree temperature was not as well. It wasn't that great. It was a challenge. Yeah, I'm still trying to work around the vinyl flooring here. Like I said, it took me a while to give up. I'm getting ready now to put things in permanently. I've done all the dry fit, and now I'm going to start putting in the foam and sealing it in with the expansion foam and screwing the frame down and starting to look like something. Yeah, once I figured out what I wanted to do and was ready to commit to it, everything got screwed in and glued on. Even then, I had to take some of the things out and redo them, but I'm committed to doing it so that it's the best I can do, which means having to undo sometimes. One thing to keep in mind is foam and Titebond 2 need to be above 40 degrees. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.